Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I have another video for you guys. I'm working on my car again and I'm changing my belt. I looked at it the other day and looked like one of them looked like it's about to snap. So before it does that and something else goes wrong, I was able to get the new belt from Subaru, and then I'm gonna go and replace them right now. So let me show you what they look like right now. I don't know if you guys can see how it's like a little chewed up over here, and right here where my hand is, right here, see right here, there's a piece missing right there. The AC compressor is fine, so since I'm doing it anyway, might as well replace both of them. So that's what we're doing. We're replacing the belts. So guys, without further ado, let's custom it. All right guys, so to replace the belt, first thing we want to do, let's take this cover off, the alternator cover. All right, it's off. Okay guys, now you can really see how chewed up it is. I don't know if you could see right here guys, there's like a whole section missing. Look, I'll show you guys what it looks like after I take it off. So let's go ahead and start. All right guys, so first to take this off, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get some tape. I'm gonna tape the tape this bolt right here, right up here, so I know exactly where to go when I put it back, so I can get the right proper tension. So let me get my blue tape, be right back. Okay, that's it. I told you how easy it was. So I put a little piece of tape here so I know exactly how far to go when I'm tightening it. So now all I have to do is take this thing out. There we go. That's the tensioner. Just take it off a little bit. Now we need to unscrew this a little bit. Okay, so I took this out. Now we also have to release this guy here. There we go. A little more. Lower this more. Okay. All right, it's coming out. Okay, now we can take out the belt. There you go guys, see how much of it is broken? Look, just snapped off right here. And I don't know what was touching it here, but it was about to go sooner or later. All right, so let's try to take the other belt off. All right guys, so I found out how to take this belt off. I think it's worn up a little bit too, so since I'm changing this belt, so I'm just gonna might as well change this one too. So the quickest way, you just cut this off, so I'm not gonna fight with it. So let me just cut it off with the pliers. There we go. It's actually started to wear out a little bit. You can't see it, but it started to crack. The back was fine, but it's definitely old. But look right here, I don't know if you could see, it's definitely cracking a little bit. So it's a good time to replace it as well. So guys, I bought the belt from Subaru. It comes in this box. Here's the part number for the AC belt. And it comes with the belt and the little installation kit. So let's open it up. So this is very important to do the installation with this. So you need these 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. So I have to move this crank a little bit just so I can install the white part. But first, let's install the part that goes right up here. Let me show you guys. All right guys, so you're gonna need one of these. For my car, the one that fit the best was 7/8. So we're gonna put it over here. We're gonna use it to turn to put the belt on. So for now, I need to put all the little mechanism. Let me put them on and I'll show you. Okay guys, so to install this belt, so you're gonna need this guy. Let's take it out of the box. So when you buy it, it comes from Subaru. This is it. And the belt, stick it out. So it comes in a kit. So first thing we're gonna do before you actually put these, just double check that at least the pulleys looks good. They look good to me, turned really fine, no problem. Everything looks good. So what we gotta do now, let's put the belt onto the AC compressor first, and then this tool goes up right here. Hold on, it goes right like this. Just tight this thing. So this is gonna help to hold the belt in place basically. We gotta put this belt on first. This is just to guide the belt. This little piece.
Ah, I see.
Yeah. So it just go to hold the belt in place like that. Okay. Okay, there's two other pieces that comes in the kit. You got this plastic thing, and you also got this metal. Let me take it out. You also got this metal piece. So, all right guys, so to install this belt right here, we have to use this pulley. There's a couple of holes. Let me see if you can see. There's a couple of holes. I'll try to point them out. There's one right here on the top where my finger is. There's like 4 total, because mine is a little different. So what I'm gonna try to do, we gotta put this tool right up here, and then the belt is gonna ride on it, and then that's how it's gonna help us to put the belt on. It's a little complicated. I'm gonna try to show it to you guys. It has grooves on here so it could sit properly over the pulley. So what I'm gonna do is just sit it right here like that, and the hole that fits this metal piece, basically the big piece goes on the top, this one hole into the hole in the pulley. Let me put it and then I'll show you what I mean. So there you go guys, you see the metal piece right here. So that's how it's supposed to go, and then the belt is gonna ride on it and then basically sit into place. So as I'm moving this around, it should take its shape. Belt is a stretchy belt, so it should automatically get the proper tension. So let me start and I'll show you guys. So the key is to turn this until you get this white piece down below, so you can start putting the belt on. So I need something to put my knee on. I'll be right back. Need to put this down a little more. 1 second. Okay. All right guys, so the reason I push this all the way down so I can, so let me center the belt over here, and you need to put the belt underneath. I don't know if you could see it. I'll put a picture so you guys can really see what I'm trying to say right here. So you see where the belt is against the pulley, underneath the metal piece right here. I'll put the picture so you can see. What we need to do from now on is start turning this so the belt can basically take shape and go into this. So let's go and I'll show you guys. Okay guys, so now what you have to do is just keep working it so that the belt will go into its place. It's working. It's I'm so close. It's almost there guys. Just lost my footing a little bit. Make sure the belt is all the way it's supposed to go. Okay, I think it's in. All right. That is so cool. The belt is in guys, and it looks really good too. Perfect. Yeah, that looks really good. Let's turn it one more time. Okay. Okay, the belt is on guys. Whew. That was nice. Now we can take this guy off, and then we can take this guy off. Okay guys, now as we install the AC belt, now we have this belt also. Here's the part number. Stick it out. So this one we're gonna put it in the pulley first, and then we're gonna route it to the power steering. It goes underneath here. Hold on, make sure it sits properly. Okay, let's take this down some more. Okay, there we go. The grooves. Okay, now everything is in the groove. Looks good. Looks good. Okay, now what we need to do, first thing we gotta do, we gotta pull this tensioner up. So this is a 12, so all we have to do is just tighten it back up. Alright, so the key is to get exactly at the bottom of the blue tape. So that's what it was, that's where I'm gonna put it back to. Okay, perfect. We leave it just like that. Now we can tighten this guy up so it doesn't move. Okay, hold on. Okay, now we tighten this guy up too. Let's push this back where it was. Okay, I think this is done, guys. Let's put the alternator cover back. So tape off. Okay, got it. All right, so now we can put this guy back, guys. So just lined it up. There's a little pop, technically pop clip. And then we put the 10mm bolt there. That is it. Now, just to be safe, we're gonna do a quick start, make sure the car is running, there's no squeaking. So let's go and start the car. Alright guys, the belt are done. It's a little late, but not too bad. So it was not too bad of a job. It was, I wouldn't say easy, but it wasn't too bad. If you have the right tool, it's a lot easier. So car is running great, so I'll drive it for a couple days, see how it goes, but so far it looks good. So anyway, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Until the next one, peace.